So students, we will learn today matrix multiplication. If A and B are two matrices, then product of A and B is given by not an ordinary way. We can say if A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 0, 7, 8, 9, then like A plus B, A into B may be, you can think 1 into 0, 2 into 7, 3 into 8, 4 into 9. No, this is wrong. You must follow some instruction. First of all, A into B is defined only when B must be n into P. That is, number of columns of A, number of rows of B must be equal. Then only product is defined. Like if A is 1, 5, 3, 2, 9, 1, it means its order is 2 by 3. Then B definitely have rows 3, 1, 0, 7, 2, 3, minus 1. This order is 3 by 2. A into B is defined and order of AB is 2 by 2. Very important thing is how to calculate this product. How to calculate this product? A into B, 1, 2, 5, 9, 3, 1, 1, 0, 7, 2, 3, minus 1. This first row is associated with this first column and we are getting element A1, 1. AB is of order 2 by 2. A11, A12, A21, A22 elements designation. Then how can we find A11? It is very clear. First row, first column. 1, 1 corresponding multiplication 5, 0, 3, 7. 1 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 7. This is first step. Similarly for A12, first row with first column, second column. 1 into 2, 5 into 3, 3 into minus 1. Now second row with first column 2, 0, 7, 4, 27, minus 1. AB is 22, 14, 9, 30. This is value of AB. Product AB. One important question arises here, like real number, say 5 into 3 is 15, 3 into 5 is also 15, but in case of A into B, it may be equal to BA, it may not be equal to BA, also it is defined that AB is defined. It may be possible BA is not defined. Let's have a case. A is 1103 2 minus 1. B is 2073. In this case, column matrix. A has order 2 by 3, B has order 3 by 1. Okay. For A into B, 2 by 3 for A, 3 by 1 for B, this equal to this, so product is defined. But for BA, it is 3 by 1, 2 by 3, not defined. Product is not defined. Communicative rule. Matrix product is commutative, not allowed here. Matrix product is not commutative. This is only violation of commutative law in case of matrix product. So students, try to solve some numeric.